Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Aries Placements. This is your love reading ngayong April. Okay, so tututukan natin yung person mo. The person on your mind, diba? So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. This is short. Short, diba? Na reading. So again, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Nawawala yung kodigo ko. Ito pala. So yan, yung kay Perception of Light. Sa mga gustong magpa-reading sa kanya, message nyo lang po siya. Ito po yung kanyang FB page. Okay? And syempre, sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman. Ito naman yung kanyang FB page. No? So message nyo lang, chat nyo na lang siya. So, again, don't forget rin na i-follow at bisitahin yung atin pong second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Nasa description box below. Oo, bulol na. Anyway, yung ating mga items is all available. Si Granter po ay made to order. Okay? So, sa mga hindi pa alam kung ano yun, si Granter is taga-grant po. Okay? Taga-grant ng mga minamanifest mo. Okay? And tagapagbigay ng surprises. Yun po. Ang kanyang job description. O, diba? O, si Granter. And, ko lang, tawag dyan, dagdag ko lang, pangalanan nyo, kung meron na kayong galing sa akin something, okay, mga items, pangalanan nyo. Okay? So, yun po, pangalanan. Bigyan nyo ng name. Yeah. So, again, meron tayong love bracelet. So, si love bracelet. Yung ating mga evil eye protection. Ito yung ring natin. This is adjustable. Okay. So, ito naman yung ating necklace. Ganyan siya. Okay. So, yan. Meron siyang blue stone sa center. Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. So, ito naman yung ating dalawang bracelet. So, ito yung adjustable, available in red strings. Ito po yung may initial ng magmamayari. Ilalagay yun. And, yung ating, yan, okay. So, yung ating garterized, garterized na evil eye bracelet. Protection po, sa evil eye. Okay, so, ganyan siya. Okay. So, last is yung ating cord cut. So, si cord cutting, pagka-cut, aalisin natin yung mga energy na nakakapit pa sa inyo, kaya kayo ay nadadrain, nai-stress, kahit wala naman dapat, parang ganyan. Mostly, mga person from the past yung mga yan. Tatanggalin natin, mga ganyan. Okay? So, Aries, the person on your mind, who is this? Napakaikli lang. Maikling reading lang. Ano bang meron ngayong April? Pagdating sa inyo nung tao na iniisip mo, na nasa isip mo. So, sino ba to, Aries? Sino ba siya? Sino ba itong taong to na nasa isip mo? Anong meron sa kanya? Aries placements. Okay. The Five of Pentacles. Laging nakakagawa ng kasalanan sa ito. Yes. Okay, lagi nakakagawa ng kasalanan. What's with that Five of Pentacles? That's channeled. Wala sa card. Kasi, ang totoo lang, kung anong meron dito sa card, pagdating sa Five of Pentacles, somebody na pwedeng lagi kang inaalisan, lagi kang nilalayuan, pero kinakailangan mo ng kinakailangan. Parang ganun. Pahabol effect, mga ganun. Okay? May paawa effect. May mga ganyan. That's with that Five of Pentacles. Some of them, they have money issues. Okay? Meron silang mga bisyo. Mabarkada. Mahilig sa inom. Mga babae, mga palalaki ko naman ng gender. Yun ang nakukuha ko dito sa taong to. Okay? Some of you talagang mas prioridad ng taong to, barkada niya kaysa sa'yo. Okay? Iba naman dito, may third party. So, for me, in general, okay, kung palalawakin natin yung third party, kasama na din yung barkada, anything, okay? Anything, kung ano man, kung sino man, ang nakakaapekto pagdating sa inyong unity, matatawag kong third party. Okay, ayoko kasi magpo-focus lang sa tao eh. Okay? So, pwedeng bisyo. Yan. Pwedeng mga sabihin nating trabaho. Mga ganong bagay. Okay? Basta nakaka-apekto sa union ninyong dalawa. So, that's a third party for me. Okay? So, for me, itong taong ito, may chance na iniwan ka or lagi kang iniiwan. Ay, ganito, ganyan. Hindi na naman. Nagawa ko na naman. Whatsoever. Paulit-ulit. Okay? May chance na iba sa inyo. Pwedeng nag-cheat na yan sa'yo. Nilagay ka sa third party or nagkaroon kayo ng third party ng taong to. May bisyo. So, ang dami. Okay? Ang dami. The Tower. So, maybe sa ngayon, kayo ay magkahiwalay. Or maybe, iniisip mo na humiwalay sa kanya. Let's see. Anong kailangan mong... may angel number ako for you. Nakita ko sa ating time. It's 555. Okay, that's talking about big changes coming in. Okay, so you can Google it naman. Yung angel number 555 when it comes to love. Para sa iba pang info about that angel number. So, anong meron? Ano bang meron pagdating sa situation ninyo? Anong kailangan mong malaman, Aries? Meron tayong earth sign and water. Okay. 9 of Cups. The 9 of Cups. This is peace of mind. Healing. Okay, if ever na nasa separation ka, you have to heal. Focusing on yourself. On your peace of mind, maybe. Yeah, the 6 of Cups. Mga panghihinayang ang nakikita ko rito. Memories. Expectations. Big expectations, I guess. Na-disappoint ka lang. Na-disappoint ka lang. If ever, okay, na ikaw itong talagang nag-expect ng magandahan pagdating dito sa taong to or sa sitwasyon, then okay lang. Okay lang, wala namang mali dun. Okay? So, ang problem lang dito is the person. The Sun in reverse, the King of Cups in reverse. Sila yung meron ditong issue. Sila yung may issue dito, hindi kayo. Ha? Yeah, the Ace of Swords in reverse. Lies, secrets, confusion. I don't know. Some of you, ikaw itong talagang nag-invest dito sa connection nyo na to. Walang mali, walang masama sa ginawa mo. Okay? Siyempre, gusto natin mag-provide ng magandang union, magandang samahan di ba? Pero hindi mo kailangang i-blame ang sarili mo if ever na ganito yung person mo sa'yo. Wala kang kailangang i-blame, kundi siya. Okay? Hindi mo kailangang i-blame yung sarili mo dito. May pagkukulang pa ba? I don't know. Wala. Wala akong nakikita dito. Anything or everything na i-provide mo for this person sa abot ng makakaya mo, na i-provide mo naman. Okay? So, yeah. What is their emotion right now? What is their emotion? I think this person miss you. Lalo na kung magkahiwalay kayo ngayon. They missed you. What is your emotion right now, Aries, pagdating sa'yo? Okay. The Three of Wands. Realization. Some of them, they're expecting you. They're waiting for you. Yeah. Three of Wands. The Lovers, Universe, yeah. Realizations. Okay. Two of Wands. Itong taong to sa ngayon hindi niya alam ang gusto niya. Siya yung magulo dito. Hindi alam ang pathway. Some of them, they're too indecisive. Sometimes, yeah, they're a juggler. Sila yung may mali. Sila yung kawawa, bugbog. Yung yung person dito. So, kung hindi ikaw to na nagko-crosswatch, then, okay, alam mo na, hindi ikaw to. So, wag mo sasabing hindi ikaw to kasi alam mo naman sa sarili mo. Hindi po ba? Hindi mo na kailangan sabihin. Okay. So, their emotion right now, they're waiting for you. They're longing for you. They're craving for you. Yeah. Craving. Pagdating sa connection. Okay, the Fool in reversed. May pag-iisip itong taong to na sana ganito pala yung ginawa ko. Dapat ganito, ganyan. Yeah. I think, yeah, there's regrets. If ever. Okay. So, what is their next action? Their future action. Let's see. Their next action for you, Aries. Shuffle ko pa. Their future action for Aries placements. Whoops. The Ten of Wands in reverse. Why? They're dropping you. They're dropping this. Let's see. What's with the Ten of Wands in reverse? The Six of Wands. The Devil. Okay. The Seven of Cups. Woo! Okay. Hahanap itong taong to ng iba. Opo. Kung kayo separated, hahanap to ng iba. Hahanap yan ng sa tingin niya pwedeng sabihin nating katulad mo. Okay? They will look for somebody na parang katulad mo. Pero hindi nila yon magagawa. They will always try to compare you sa ibang tao. Sa kung sino man yung pwede nilang makakonect. Pero actually, attached pa rin itong taong to sa'yo. Ikaw lang tong ginugusto niya, hinahanap niya. The Nine of Cups, yeah. You're their Nine of Cups. The Six of Cups. So, a lot of realizations. No? Ang broken ito, sa totoo lang, Aries. Yeah. Sad boy, sad girl. Oo, okay? So, hahanap to ng somebody, something para sabihin nating makausad-usad. Pero ikaw pa rin na nasa utak nito at puso. Yes. Idadrop niya to. Lalo na kung matagal na siya naghihintay. Kung matagal na tong separation, maghahanap to. So, ikaw, Aries, wag mo hayaan ha, porque narinig mo na maghahanap to. Wag ka mag-reach out. Don't. Okay? Wag ka mag-reach out. Hindi ina-advise. Nasa maganda ka ng energy. Some of you, nasa maganda na kayong energy. Wag na kayong bababa. Madali pong bumaba, di po ba? Mahirap umakyat ulit sa ganyang energy. Some of you, you're healing. So, i-continue nyo, okay, yung healing process na ginagawa. So, what's the outcome? Outcome. Potential outcome this April. The Chariot. Moving forward. And the hangwoman, yeah. Focusing on yourself more. Makaka-release ka dito, Aries. Okay? Hashtag release. Yeah. Hashtag move on. Hashtag moving forward. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles, your money, sabihin nating magiging mas okay if ever, your career, your studies, your business, kung meron kang business, makakakuha ka ng mga gandang opportunities. Okay? While you're doing the healing process. Okay? And syempre, kung talagang mas pinipili mong lumayo muna, kung lumayo dito sa connection na to. Some of you, you're heading sa mas maganda pa. Okay? Na mangyayari sa buhay mo. This is the Ace of Pentacles. This is something serious, long-term, if ever. This is talking about a connection or a relationship. Okay? Not like this one. Okay? So, yeah. Diba sayang to kung ikaw itong mas stuck dito. So, if you're doing everything pagdating sa healing process, everything, pagdating sa sarili mo, focusing on yourself more, self-love, self-care, mga ganyang bagay ba. Tataas ang energy, tataas ang frequency mo. So, makukuha mo yung matataas din na frequency and vibration. Okay? Meaning, sa paganda. Okay po. So, yon ha? Okay. That's nice. That's nice. So, hayaan nyo na ang tawag dyan, ma-realize ng mga tao yung value nyo, worth mo. Lagi naman ganun no? Every time na nandyan, hindi mo makita, hindi nila makita. Pero kapag nawala na, tsaka nila marirealize, no? Yeah, kung ano bang nawala. Okay, so tayo tumungo sa all signs, Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries, they're not stable. Unstable? Okay. Some of them, they have, sabihin natin not ready to settle down. Taurus, they're curious pagdating sa'yo. Inaaral ka nito ni Taurus. Gemini, they want you. They want to come back. Cancer, hindi ka na masyadong iniisip ni Cancer. May chance. Okay? Ayaw na lang talaga nilang isipin. Leo, they're waiting for you. Virgo, nakukuha mo yung attention, or maybe vice versa, nakukuha niya yung attention mo. Meron binubulong pa to Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer. Virgo. Itong si Virgo, may binubulong pa siya. Some of them, meron silang gustong gawin, pero they don't know kung anong uunahin. Yeah. Okay. Libra. So, energy about being distant, detachment. Okay. Scorpio, no effort, no focus at all, and I think wala rin itong dapat gawin or ikaw pagdating sa kanya. Sagittarius, feeling weak about this connection, draining. Capricorn, I love you. Some of them pwedeng interested sa'yo. Aqua, they want to work things out. They want to fix things out. So, they want to come back. They need you. Pisces. Oh, si Pisces crush ka. Yes, crush ka ni Pisces. Kunyari, wala lang siyang pakialam, pero yes, every time na hindi kayo nagkikita, hindi kayo nagkakasama, hindi kayo whatsoever nagkakausap, para siyang nagki-crave for you. Longing. Okay? So there, yeah. Yun ang aking reading for you, Aries placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!